Have you ever felt like giving up after failing again and again? This is the story of a girl who faced rejection, pain, and failure, but never gave up. Her journey will remind you that success is not about luck. It's about never quitting. Absolutely. Here's a motivational story in simple past tense about a girl who faced many failures, along with new vocabulary words, their meanings, and repeat after me practice sentences at the end. Part 1. Motivational story in simple past tense. Title: Riya's Road to Success. Riya was a young girl who dreamed of becoming a scientist. She lived in a poor neighborhood where schools lacked good teachers and proper labs. Still, Riya believed in herself. In school, she failed many science tests. Her classmates mocked her. Even some teachers doubted her skills. She felt discouraged but never quit. Every day, she borrowed science books from the library and studied late at night. She created small experiments at home using simple things. She even burned her hand once while doing an experiment, but she didn't stop. Riya applied for a science competition and got rejected 3 times. On the 4th try, she finally got selected. She presented her project confidently, and the judges were impressed. She won the first prize and received a scholarship to study in a top university. Her journey inspired many other girls to chase their dreams. Part 2. Vocabulary words plus meanings plus repeat after me practice. Here are vocabulary words from the story, their meanings, example sentences, and repeat after me lines for practice. Dreamed, meaning hoped or wished for something. Repeat after me. Riya dreamed of becoming a scientist. Lacked, meaning did not have something. Repeat after me. She lacked support but kept going. Mocked, meaning made fun of someone. Repeat after me. People mocked my ideas too. Doubted, meaning didn't believe or trust. Repeat after me. He doubted my talent. Discouraged, meaning lost hope or felt low. Repeat after me. I felt discouraged but tried again. Borrowed, meaning took something for a short time. Repeat after me. Riya borrowed science books. Created, meaning made or built something. Repeat after me. I created something new. Rejected, meaning not accepted or turned down. Repeat after me. Riya got rejected 3 times. Selected, meaning chosen from a group. Repeat after me. I got selected for the team. Inspired, meaning motivated or encouraged others. Repeat after me. Riya inspired many girls. If this story inspired you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more motivational stories and simple English learning. Now it's your turn. Comment below. What is one dream you will never give up on? Let's grow and get better. One story, one sentence at a time. See you in the next video.